In today's video, I am going to show you how you can transfer Solana from Bybit to Phantom wallet. So the first step, you need to search for Bybit and log in into your Bybit account. So once you log in into your Bybit account, okay, so here you can see that you have an option. So I already created an account. So now I already log in. So once you log in, here you can see assets. Click on that and click on withdraw. So once you click on assets, then you need to click on the withdraw option. So let me show you. Here it is, click on withdraw. And once you are on the withdraw page, you simply need to set up Google Authenticator. So click on setup now, and once it is set up, you have an option to select the coin, and you simply need to select the Solana, and then you simply need to transfer that Solana from your Bybit to Phantom wallet. So this is the process that you need to follow to transfer Solana from Bybit to Phantom wallet. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.